Welcome. In this video, I will be demonstrating how to use GeoGebra to find extreme values and roots of polynomial functions. And so I've already gone to geogebra.org/classic. Now here I have a polynomial ready. There it is. So g of x is equal to x to the fourth minus 3x cubed plus 4x minus 1. I suggest you open up geogebra.org/classic yourself and type this in. Now I'm just going to zoom in on it. And it looks like our roots are pretty close to 1.5 and pretty close to -1 and maybe close to about a quarter. Oh yeah, and then this one, I would say like 2.3, 2.4-ish. But I want the exact roots here. So I'm going to go here to this dot, this point A, and you go to roots. So this will give you the points on the function where it crosses the x-axis. And notice I have roots here. This little thing popped up and this is highlighted. So now I just go ahead and tap the function and there are my roots. So -1.1. Yep, this one was about a quarter here. There we are. So -1.1, about 0.25, almost 1.5, and about 2.3, 2.4. Yeah, that's pretty good. Pretty close estimates. But now I have the exact values. And then next, I'm going to go here and go extremum. So this will give me the exact values of the mins and the maxes. And you notice only one of them is in a really nice spot we can see, 2, -1. That's definitely a minimum value, but these are kind of in between nice whole number or half number values. So now that I tapped extremum, I tap the function again, and there it is. And let's see, we were definitely on it with one of them. This one here, I'm blinking on and off. That was definitely 2, -1. And then these are not really nice whole number or half number values, but now I know what they are exactly. Now, if you wanted to save your file, you'd have to go to Save Online and just create your own GeoGebra account, not required. You can also export this as an image. And look, here would be the image. You can download it. You can copy it to your clipboard. Those of you on my course, I would suggest just download it. And then it wants to allow downloads. And there it is. Now I have that image. And then the numbers are pretty small. So if you want to adjust those at all, go here to settings. And look at this. I can change the font so it's bigger and easier to read. And then I can export the image again. And look, I can see everything much better here. And then finally, you notice on the image, I only see the points. I don't see the values. I'm going to select the first root and shift. I held down the shift button and to select all of them. And then I'm going to right click on my computer, go to settings, and then show label. I want to see the value of each one. And then suddenly, look at this. This image is even easier to work with. And look, I can move the numbers around so that they're not overlapping on anything. And now I'm going to go back here, go export image, and then download. And then those of you in my course can use these images directly in your assignments. Please keep calm and math on.